How to connect a tile to Life360. Looking for a way to connect your tile tracker to Life360? In this video, I'll show you how to link your tile and make sure it connects properly. First, open the Life360 app on your phone. From the Location tab, tap on the Keys option, which should be the third option on the screen. Next, look for Items and select Add an Item. This option allows you to keep track of things like your keys, wallet, and other belongings. Now, tap on Activate Tile. To start the setup process, press the button on your tile tracker. You should hear the tile make a sound when it's activated. Before continuing, open your iPhone's settings and search for Life360. Tap on it and make sure Bluetooth access is enabled. Once Bluetooth is turned on, press the button on your tile again. Life360 should detect the tracker and begin the registration process automatically. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup, and your tile should now be connected to Life360. And that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.